Welcome to our English class of today. Tubaha ikaze mu isomo ryacu ry'Icyongereza rya none. We ask you to subscribe, share and like if you are new to our channel. Turabasaba niba uri mushya kuri iyi channel yacu ukore subscribe kandi share na like. Today we are going to see common requests that we need in our everyday lives. None tugiye kureba amagambo akoreshwa ugaragaza icyo ukeneye mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. Welcome. Karibu. The first one is, irya mbere ni give me. Give me. Bisobanura ngo mpa. For example, give me that bag. Urugero, mpa kiriya gikapu. Give me my pen. Mpa ikaramu yanjye. Number 2. Kabiri. Show me. Show me. Nyereka. Nyereka. Please show me your new iPhone. Nyereka iPhone yawe nshya. Show me your new living place. Nyereka ahantu urimo uraba muri iki gihe. Number 3. Tell me. Mbwira. Tell me how was your birthday. Mbwira uko isabukuru yawe yagenze. Tell me where you are going. Mbwira aho urimo urajya. Number 4. Help me. Fasha. Help me. Fasha. Please help me lift this table. Mfasha guterura iyi meza. Help me finish this task. Mfasha kurangiza uyu murimo ndi gukora. Number 5. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Tegereza gato. Wait a moment, I'm coming. Tegereza gato, ndaje. Wait a moment, he is coming. Tegereza gato, ari kuza. Number 6. Come here. Come here. Come here. Please come here. Ngwino hano. Ngwino hano. Can you please come here? Please, waza hano. Can you please come here? I need you. Waza hano ko ngukeneye. Number 7. Go there. Go there. Jahariya. Jahariya. She goes there alone. Agiyeyo wenyine. Go there please. They need you. Genda baragukeneye. Number 8. Sit down. Sit down. Icara hasi. For example, urugero. Sit down to eat please. Sit down to eat. Icara urye. Icara hasi urye. Number 9. 9. Stand up. Stand up. Haguruka. Let's stand up to sing. Duhaguruke turirimbe. Stand up to sing. Haguruka uririmbe. Stand up to open the gate. Haguruka ujya gufungura gate, the Kinyarwanda gate, irembo. Haguruka ujya gufungura ku irembo. Maybe someone is knocking. Bishoboka ko hari umuntu urimo urakomanga. 10. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Tega amatwi neza. Example, urugero. Listen carefully. This is serious. Tega amatwi neza. Ibi ni byo kwitonderwa. Listen carefully. He is speaking to you. Tega amatwi neza. Arimo arakubwira. Dear listeners, our friends, nshuti zacu mudutega amatwi. We thank you to always be in touch with us. Turabashimira guhora muri kumwe natwe. Remember to subscribe and share. Mwibuke gukora subscribe na share that our everyday lessons reach you easily as you get notified. Kugira ngo amasomo yacu ya buri munsi ajye bageraho kuko mubona notification. Thank you very much. This is English Talk with Teacher Elise.